The Galaxy S10 Plus has the best display on a smartphone. The Galaxy S10 Plus has amazing cameras. The Galaxy S10 Plus's punch hole design looks gorgeous. But wait, Samsung, what about the Galaxy S10e? Did you forget about that? Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com and this is the Galaxy S10e, which I think hasn't really got the attention it deserves. Now, before I tell you why it deserves all the attention, let me tell you that this video has been sponsored by Skillshare, which is a great online learning platform for anyone looking to learn something new this year. I'll talk more about Skillshare at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Okay, so this is the Galaxy S10e, and when this first arrived in our office, I was just amazed by the fact that this is such a small and compact phone. Seriously, coming from the OnePlus 60, the Galaxy S10e feels like a breath of fresh air with its compact and lightweight design. It's just so small. Just look at it next to other flagships out there. See the difference? I love this because almost all the phones these days are just huge, and this fits in my hand just perfectly. Anyway, it's not just this compact design. The S10e here is a flagship, Samsung's first budget flagship at that, and it's as exciting as the S10 or the S10 Plus, if not more. However, I'm not sure if Samsung thinks the same. I mean, even at the launch event, Samsung mentioned the Galaxy S10e just once or twice, very briefly. That's it, no product video, no details, nothing. And it's not just Samsung, almost everyone else has been hyping up the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus, which to me is surprising. I mean, the Galaxy S10e is a solid flagship. I know it has a few differences when compared to the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus, but are they deal breakers or something that make the S10e lesser? Well, I've been using the Galaxy S10e and I don't think so. Let me talk about these differences. So one of the biggest differences in the Galaxy S10e is the lack of a curved display on the front. The S10e features the traditional flat 5.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. And like the S10 and the S10 Plus, this is a gorgeous display even though it's not QHD+. And while I obviously find the curved display more attractive, I'm more than okay with this flat display. Plus, a lot of people prefer the flat displays over the curved ones on Galaxy's flagships. For example, Sharon from our team has always opted for the flat display versions instead of the edge versions of the Galaxy flagships in the past. And it's not just him. There are a lot of Reddit threads where people are hating on the curved displays of the Galaxy's flagships due to multiple reasons. There's the fact that they are vulnerable even with a case or screen protector on. Some people don't like the inconsistent palm rejection which results in accidental touches through the edge. So yes, curved displays can be a trouble to some, and I guess that's the reason Samsung decided to launch a flagship with a flat screen after 2 years. Another big change in the Galaxy S10e is the Fingerprint Scanner. Unlike the S10 and the S10 Plus, which have ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanners, the S10e has a physical fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button. Now, if you've seen a Galaxy S10 Plus review, you must already know that the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, even with its positives, offers an inconsistent and sometimes frustrating experience. Plus, you all know that face unlock on all the S10s is just too finicky to rely on. So the physical fingerprint scanner on the S10e is definitely a huge plus. Yes, the placement of the power button, aka the fingerprint scanner, is a little higher, which takes time getting used to, but the physical fingerprint scanner is fast and more accurate, and you can rely on it, unlike the ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. I just prefer this over the in-display scanner on the S10. Next up, there's a difference on the camera's front. Unlike the S10 and the S10 Plus, the Galaxy S10e has dual cameras on the back. However, you get the same primary 12-megapixel dual aperture camera with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Yes, you don't get the telephoto lens, but honestly, does anyone ever use the telephoto lens? I mean, Akshay puts it nicely. According to him, ever since his OnePlus 5 days to his current S10 days, he has used the telephoto lens to capture 2x optical zoom photos approximately 5 times. He has been counting it. I know it's a joke, but honestly, a telephoto lens is generally not that useful. Unless Samsung would be using it for the portrait mode, which it is not. So yeah, the S10e not having a telephoto lens is not a big deal. And apart from that, it's the same cameras as the S10 and the S10 Plus. And that means photo and video quality is right up there with the very best. Just check out a few shots taken from the S10 and the S10e, and you will notice that they are very similar and that they are really good. So yes, the S10e has the same flagship grade cameras, which is amazing. Lastly, there's one thing about the Galaxy S10e that I personally don't like, and I'm pretty sure you won't like it too. The Galaxy S10e has a modest 3100 mAh battery, which does sound low for a flagship smartphone, and yes, compared to the S10 and the S10 Plus, it's low. But you need to consider the fact that the S10e has a smaller display with a lower resolution. Now, in our S10 Plus review, we did mention that the battery on the S10 Plus is decent enough and nothing extraordinary. And well, the same can be said about the Galaxy S10e. I mean, in my usage, I found the battery performance on the Galaxy S10e to be average. It's not good, but it's not anything amazing either. How do I put it? It's just fine. Having said that, the smaller battery here means that the 15-watt charger charges the phone from 10 to 100% in just 60 minutes, which is definitely great. So those were all the differences between the Galaxy S10e and the S10 and S10 Plus. And if you ask me, these changes don't really affect the experience on the S10e. I mean, the camera performance is great, the display while Full HD is still the beautiful dynamic AMOLED display, and the battery is fine. In fact, some of the changes like the physical fingerprint scanner make the S10e better. So the S10e, even with its differences to the S10 and S10 Plus, manages to hold its own. Anyway, apart from all the differences, the S10e is an S10 flagship. So you get the same stunning design, the same flagship grade specs and performance, and the same software experience for a price tag of around Rs 56,000. I know it's still quite a lot, but a full-fledged Samsung flagship at this price is just value for money. I mean, I really think that the OnePlus 7 already has a worthy competitor in the form of the S10e. Now think about it, when the OnePlus 7 arrives, the Galaxy S10e would have probably gotten a few price cuts to bring it in the 40 to 45,000 price segment, and at that price, the Galaxy S10e would give the OnePlus 7 a solid competition. So yes, the Galaxy S10e, Samsung's first budget flagship, is an underrated value for money smartphone that is here to stay. And while it may not be as hyped as the Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus, this is a phone people will talk about all year. This is the Samsung flagship we have been waiting for. It's time now to talk about Skillshare, our sponsors for this video. Skillshare is a great learning platform with more than 25,000 classes in film production, animation, design, business, app development, and more. So whatever your interest, Skillshare has you covered. So say if you want to learn about video editing in 2019, you can just go to Skillshare and take one of these great audio-visual classes. Plus, Skillshare is super affordable with its annual subscription costing less than $10 per month or Rs 700 per month. Skillshare subscription gives you access to unlimited classes and various perks, and there's a really great offer for Beebom subscribers. Using our link in the description, the first 500 people can get 2 months of free trial of Skillshare Premium. So what are you waiting for? Check out Skillshare from the link in the description down below. Well, those are my thoughts on the Galaxy S10e, and I believe that this is an underrated flagship, seriously. But what do you think? What do you think about the Galaxy S10e? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.